So if you follow the happenings of the YouTube world, there's a very good chance you know what this is. Lunchly, introduced by mrbeast, KSI, and Logan Paul. Lunchly is meant to be an alternative to Lunchables with pizza, nachos, and there's another flavor, I think it's turkey and like crackers. However, there's been a lot of people talking really, really bad about the Lunchly. And I was curious, is any of this hatred true or even warranted? In my opinion, no, because a lot of people just really hate mrbeast right now, so they're looking for any reason to continue hating on him. Still though, does that mean these Lunchlys aren't as yummy? I say today we test that out. So for both of the pizza and the nachos, we grabbed a pizza Lunchable as well as a nachos Lunchable. We're gonna start with the nachos here. As you can see, pretty much same size box. Ooh. Ooh. And then to drink, a miniature Prime. And in the competitor's box, nachos and a Capri Sun. The Lunchly does look better than that, but you know, the presentation isn't what matters. Is it good? I say we start with the Lunchables nachos. These were never good to begin with. Get a little bit of cheese and a little bit of salsa. Yeah. It tastes like shit. These have already sucked as long as I can remember. I think the only worst one is the chicken nuggets. What's the worst Lunchable? Let me know in the comments. Now let's have a sip of our Lunchly. Oh, I got cheese on my table. Alright, so visually, the cheese does look better. I will say that. The nachos, though, look about the exact same. Let's do the same thing. A little bit of cheese, a little bit of salsa. It tastes like too, yeah. No, they're pretty even. The chips are the exact same. Now the salsa, I can tell maybe this salsa is a little more close to salsa versus this, which is just like, it's more of like a cocktail sauce. Both of them are gross. I will say this, the cheese in a Lunchly is better than the other cheese. Doesn't mean it's good, but if I had to choose, I'd pick that cheese. Here's the other important thing though about Lunchlys is the candy. In a Lunchable, you get a Kit Kat, while in a Lunchly you get a mrbeast bar. Try the Kit Kat first. I mean, it's a Kit Kat bar. Kit Kat bars are delicious. A miniature feastable. That hurt. I mean, that's chocolate. Hard to have bad chocolate. Finally, our drinks. I'm a little biased towards Capri Suns due to one of my past videos. Let's just check this out real quick. It's a Capri Sun. Strawberry Banana Prime Hydration. Oh, it's really sweet. Oh, it's almost too sweet. Wow. I mean, they both suck. I don't think one's better or worse. I think they're both awful. Let's clear everything out the way, because up next is the battle I was waiting for. Pizza versus pizza. Now, these are the Lunchables I eat. Pizza and our drink versus pizza and our drink. So again, Lunchly is winning the presentation battle, but that's just because of the design on this screen right here. Doesn't really mean the food inside's any better. And then this time we got a different flavored Prime. So let's go ahead and make 2 regular pizzas. Couple pepperonis. So that's our Lunchable pizza. The sauce is like liquid, like very liquidy. How the hell are you supposed to open this? See, on the Lunchables, they have like a little tearaway strip. With Lunchly, I'm not really seeing a way to get into it. And, you know, a kid takes this to school and can't get his sauce open. I really can't get this open. Ugh. Oh, there we go. That actually hurt my tooth doing that. Yeah, Lunchly, we gotta figure this out, man. I just hurt my tooth doing this. But look, now I have like just this messy bag I have to deal with. I'll say the cheese feels more like cheese, and then that is our Lunchly. So this is the Lunchables pizza, and this is our Lunchly pizza. I did use a little bit more cheese, so don't let that sway your view. All right, so now it's time for the classic taste test. So Lunchable pizza. I mean, it's so good, as it always is. And then here is our Lunchly. Has a little bit more weight to it. It's not bad. Yeah, no, it's not bad. Just not what I'm used to. Oh, that's good. That's very good. Ooh, that's sour too. Ooh, yeah, no. Prime is not good. The other thing I was curious about, I think altogether, yeah, there are 9 pepperonis in a Lunchable, while there are, yeah, about 9 in a Lunchly. Same amount of pepperonis, you guys don't have to worry there. Just like I suspected, I think a lot of the hatred towards Lunchly has been, quite frankly, undeserved. I mean, listen, there's a lot of things that you can hate on Logan Paul, KSI, and especially mrbeast for, but I don't think children's snack foods is really the best place that we should be doing that at. Because, I mean, at the end of the day, these are just nachos and, you know, pizza. I mean, their food sucks, but I don't think it sucks any less than a regular Lunchable. So many things that you can hate on Logan Paul and mrbeast about before you hate on them for this. I'm not worried about nachos. I'm worried about Logan's crypto. I'm not worried about Prime. I'm worried about the crime that they were involved in. I'm not worried about a crispy crust. I'm worried about Chris Tyson. I think a lot of it is a bunch of great hatred being aimed in the wrong place, and I think we need to re-aim the hatred towards some of the actual things they did wrong. I mean, yeah, look, they're not the worst foods I ever ate, so let's just all calm down, okay? And, I don't know. Hope you liked it. And I guess until next time, when another YouTuber drops some mediocre food, I'll be back. All in all, I don't really think Lunchly has anything inherently wrong with it. I mean, it's snack food meant for little kids, and, listen, it might not be good for you, but Lunchables isn't good for you either. Grown adults eating Lunchly and talking about how bad it is equivalent of me watching Nickelodeon today and saying, you know, today's Nickelodeon is horrible. I remember when Nickelodeon was amazing. Well, newsflash, idiot, Nickelodeon sucked then too. Go watch one episode of The Amanda Show and you'll see the kind of brain rot we grew up watching. Now, if you're arguing kids shouldn't eat any of it, I get that, but the idea that Lunchables is better than a Lunchly is laughable. Not to mention, as I said in the video, a lot of the hate is coming off the backs of, you know, the Chris Tyson situation and mrbeast's game show lawsuit, and people are just looking for more reasons to hate on the guy. Like, if a 2021 mrbeast released Lunchly, the product would have been, like, revered and praised by everybody. And also this idea that, yeah, Lunchly is just a cash grab. All YouTube merch is a cash grab. But it's not like mrbeast is shelling out some useless garbage for money. Kids are getting a full belly for only a couple of bucks, and it's not much more than a regular Lunchable, so it's not like he's tricking people into buying this. He's offering a product, and people are paying for it. It's just basic consumerism. Now listen, again, in no way am I saying these 3 men are angels, and I think you guys can and should hate on all of them. But honestly, I think hating on them for making pizza and crackers is weak and flat. If you just hate them, say you hate them. Don't mask it behind some snack product. Okay, I hate them because of drinks. Yeah, that's going to do it for today, guys. I know it's a different video than usual, but I don't know. I wanted to say something about Lunchly that wasn't the same regurgitated garbage I keep seeing over and over again. Subscribe if you're new, and always remember, Kobe sucks.